have years. ¿Qué? What? If you're not fluent with that expression, it's because maybe you're not fluent in Spanish, en español todavía, yet. But you are in the right place. Welcome to Spanish Education. I am Susana Lescano. I will be your Spanish teacher on YouTube because I am a Spanish teacher from Spain. I have an online Spanish academy for kids and many things. But in this video, I will teach you how to use tengo. Tengo is I have, you will see later, but we use it to say how old I am, if you are scared. It's very interesting how we use I have, tengo, en español in Spanish. Now, if this sounds good to you, or if you want to learn Spanish, you've been struggling to learn Spanish, I do recommend you follow, you subscribe, and you comment what is it that you always struggled learning. This is something that my students struggle a lot, this tengo, how to remember how to talk about their age. So I feel this will be a fantastic video. You will learn a lot from it. But if you have kids, I do recommend you visit us in our online in our online academy for kids on OutSchool. You probably know OutSchool. If you have kids, you have the QRs here. I will show you later. But don't forget to subscribe to learn all of these interesting things. ¿Listos? Ready? ¿Sí? Ok, entonces vamos a aprender. Let's learn how to use tengo en español, in Spanish. First of all, hola. Lovers of Castilian is my Facebook group, exclusive private Facebook group. You can join me there. I will be just sharing these videos daily over there, but I really want to make a great community. So if you are learning Espanol, maybe you want to join Lovers of Castilian community on Facebook. I wait for you there. All the links in the description. Bienvenidos a nuestro canal, Spanish Education. Vamos a explorar a usar la palabra tengo para expresar nuestras necesidades y estados emocionales. Okay, to express our feelings and emotional state. Así que prepárense. Get ready to learn. Prepárense para aprender. Comenzamos. La playa. The beach. This looks muy bien to me. So it's interesting because tengo, again, means many things in español, right? But in English, we could translate it to I have. Now, tengo in Spanish, we use it to say many things. We not only have, but we are. For example, one of the most common ones is tengo hambre. Tengo hambre would be I'm hungry in English. Hambre is hunger. So what we are really saying is I have hunger, but we mean I'm hungry, right? Tengo hambre. Tengo hambre. Remember how H in Spanish is always silent, okay? Tengo hambre. When it's on its own with no C in front of it, it's silent. Tengo hambre. A similar one is tengo sed. Sed. Tengo sed. I'm thirsty. Again, we are saying I have thirst, right? But it means I'm thirsty. Tengo sed. Practice with me. Come on, out loud. Tengo sed. Okay, not so much. Por favor. Not so loud. Oh, another interesting one is tengo sueño. Tengo sueño means I'm sleepy. Tengo sueño. Sueño means dream, right? So we are saying like I have dream, but not I have a dream. That would be tengo un sueño. Tengo un sueño means I have a dream. For example, my dream, mi sueño, is for the whole world to speak español, right? Ese es mi sueño. That's my dream. That's tengo un sueño. But just tengo sueño means I'm sleepy. It's like I have dream. I have a sleepiness. I don't know how you will literally translate that, but it does mean I'm sleepy, tengo sueño. Por cierto, by the way, don't forget to like this video if you haven't yet, comment and subscribe to keep watching these daily classes and give me video ideas so I know what you need help with.